Welcome back to Vishal Explains. Today, we're delving into the world of cybersecurity with a practical Python tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to generate secure passwords using Python. Get ready to enhance your digital security and protect your online accounts with just a few lines of code. This Python script generates a strong password using the random and string modules. We import the necessary modules and define an empty password string. 3 variables hold sets of digits, letters, and punctuation. These characters are combined into a list. The user inputs the desired password length. Using a loop, characters are randomly chosen and added to the password string. The generated password and its length are then printed. And there you have it, a secure password generator using Python. With this simple script, you can create strong passwords to safeguard your online accounts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials and cybersecurity tips. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.